Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check seller ratings and reviews on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started shopping on Temu. How do you actually go ahead and check a seller's reviews on Temu? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into Temu. And then what you can do next is that you can just click into an item. And then from this item, you can kind of scroll down and get an idea from actual buyer reviews over here. Now, as far as looking at the seller reviews, if you scroll down a bit more, you could actually go ahead and click on the actual seller. And then this is where you're going to be able to click on this reviews tab right over here. And then you can see the reviews that came from this seller, okay? So this is across all their products. This is for them specifically as a seller. You can see the products that they pages, which this is 50 black inner pages. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see the seller reviews on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.